In this video, you'll learn how to review a patient's health history and upload prescriptions using the Medicas app. 1. Open the Medicas app. Click on Upcoming Appointments. 2. Select the patient you'll be consulting. 3. Tap Health History to review their medical records and notes. 4. Tap Files to check for any attached scans or test results. 5. When ready, click Start Consultation to join the video call. 6. The patient will either already be on the call or join shortly. After the consultation, 1. Go to the Upcoming Appointments or Completed Appointments tab. 2. You can add a follow-up consultation, schedule lab tests, refer the patient to other specialists, or add a prescription. 3. Tap Add Prescription and fill in the required details. 4. Schedule a follow-up appointment if necessary. 5. Recommend a lab test if needed. 6. Add referrals to other specialists or departments. 7. Fill the details in the prescription and add medicines if required. 8. Click Update Report to sign digitally. 9. Include any patient notes for future reference. 10. Finally, tap Submit and close to finalize everything.